Welcome back, you tribe. Today I'm be showing y'all how to upload your banner, just in case you want to make a new one, or you don't like your banner right now. Again you want to make a new banner. And if you do make a new banner, you want to know how to upload the new banner off of your phone. To me, it's quicker off of my iPhone than on my computer, for my opinion. But first thing y'all want to do is go to the App Store, go to Google Chrome. As you can see, I already downloaded it. I'll give y'all good like 5 seconds to go to the App Store and download Google Chrome. Alright, we back. Hopefully that was enough time for y'all. Now, again, here it is. Go open it. As y'all can see, I'm already on mine. But basically, I'm going to go from the beginning. Hold on. YouTube. As you can see, I already downloaded Google Chrome. You want to type in Google Chrome, youtube.com. After y'all do that, go to the top right, which is right here. Go to your channel. But like I said, guys, make sure y'all do this on Google Chrome, not Safari or any other website. Because for some reason, it don't work on any other website when you try to change your banner. For some reason, I don't know why. I guess it's meant for Google. As you can see, I changed my banner already. This is not really my first time changing my banner, since I never really liked the first banner. And it never really looked that professional anyway. So I like this one way better. If y'all want, here's my Instagram. And if y'all want me to do a banner for y'all, let me know. Just hit me up in the DM. I got y'all. And here it is. Go to customize channel. Next thing. After you go to customize channel, you want to go to the top right of your banner. Go to edit channel art. Here it is. You can select a photo from your computer, or again, you can select a photo from your iPhone in your gallery. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Select a photo for the library. Here it is. This one done. Now it should be uploading right now. Give it a second. And it shows you how does it look on your desktop, TV, and mobile, all three. To me, it looked way better on my desktop when I actually like saw it on there. The picture they chose don't give the desktop enough justice, in my opinion. Like, it looks way better if you log into your account right now on your laptop. It looks way better on your laptop. But if y'all don't like it, y'all can go adjust the crop if y'all want to. To me, it don't really do nothing, in my opinion. I mean, you can like adjust it to where like a smaller thing going on, but not really, bigger or nothing like that. You could adjust it the way you really want it to go. But besides that, that's really about it, guys. After you press select, y'all gonna have your new banner uploaded and looking good. Now, if y'all want, for my next video, I could show y'all how to make a new banner. It's probably gonna take a good 8 to 9 minutes. If y'all want me to show y'all how to make a new banner, I got y'all. Let me know in the comments. And again, hit me up in the DM on my Instagram, and just ask me anything, or like just give me different ideas of what to do next for y'all. That would mean a lot. But thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all. I'm out.